Coming up is the Filipino Barracks. This is where Filipino soldiers were billeted. During the Second World War, we were still a colony of America. And the U.S. Army recruited Filipino soldiers. They were called Philippine Scouts. The British recruited Nepalese soldiers. They were called Gurkhas. But Filipino soldiers were called Philippine Scouts. They served under the command of the USAF, United States Army Forces in the Far East. Now, let me tell you a short story about our Filipino veterans. The Japanese bombed Pearl Harbor December 7. The Japanese also bombed the Philippines the same day, but it was already December 8 here. Same day, but a different time zone. The Japanese bombed the Philippines, Hong Kong, Singapore, Guam, and Wake Island December 8.